Welcome to the Google Analytics Tracking ID tutorial, a comprehensive guide to understanding and implementing Google Analytics tracking IDs on your website. First, let's start with the basics. Google Analytics is a web analytics service that provides insights into your website traffic and behavior, helping you make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence. The tracking ID is a unique identifier assigned to your Google Analytics account, used to collect and track data from your website. To get started, you need to create a Google Analytics account and set up a property for your website. A property represents your website or app in Google Analytics, and it's where you'll find your tracking ID. Once you've created a property, you'll find the tracking ID in the property settings. It usually starts with the letters UA and is followed by a series of numbers. This tracking ID is used to identify your website and collect data, so it's essential to keep it confidential and secure. To implement the tracking ID on your website, you'll need to add the Google Analytics tracking code to your website's HTML. The tracking code is a JavaScript code snippet that sends data to Google Analytics, and it's usually placed in the header or footer of your website. Best practices for implementing the tracking ID include using the asynchronous tracking code, which allows your website to load faster, and using a tag management system like Google Tag Manager, which makes it easier to manage and update your tracking code. Another key concept is data collection and tracking. Google Analytics collects data on user interactions, such as page views, clicks, and conversions. You can also set up goals and events to track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or button clicks. To verify that your tracking ID is working correctly, you can use the Google Analytics Debugger, which shows you the data being sent to Google Analytics in real time. You can also check the reporting dashboard to see if data is being collected and displayed correctly. In conclusion, the Google Analytics tracking ID is a crucial component of your website analytics setup. And by following these steps and best practices, you can ensure accurate and reliable data collection and tracking. Remember to keep your tracking ID confidential and secure, and use the asynchronous tracking code and a tag management system for optimal performance.